This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Remote Desktop on the Windows PC you will control. Open Settings, go to System, then Remote Desktop, and toggle it on. This authorizes incoming sessions. Once done, add the specific user accounts that should connect and confirm they have strong passwords. Make sure to note the PC name shown on screen. If you're behind a router, prepare to forward port 3389, or use a VPN so connections route securely to that machine. Next, prepare the network and client device you'll use to connect. If you're connecting over the internet, configure router NAT to forward 3389 to the PC, or ideally, set up a VPN to avoid port exposure. On your client, install Microsoft Remote Desktop or run MSDSC on Windows and enter the PC name or public IP. If your ISP gives a dynamic IP, register a dynamic DNS name so you don't lose access when the address changes. Finally, initiate the connection from your client and enter the account credentials. Accept the certificate when prompted to establish trust. Make sure network-level authentication is enabled on the host so authentication happens before the session starts. This reduces attack surface. After you finish, lock the session or sign out to protect privacy. If anything goes wrong, first verify the host's firewall, router port forwarding, or VPN, and that the username and password are correct. Those are the most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.